Think of how to reframe the sentence.
I use Pluralsight to help myself, to help others.
I started by taking the skill assessment. I got my baseline IQ, and I started my path from there. I think I saw like a 50-point improvement within the first month of me using the JavaScript course.
About 2 years ago, we added Pluralsight, and I was able to advance my skills from there. I dove into a lot of security courses with Troy Hunt and Dale Meredith, and those guys are my favorite. I love watching them, and I've learned so much material from their Pluralsight courses.
My new hire just started a couple weeks ago, and one of the first things that she asked for was Pluralsight. So we've already got her in doing Python programming. I'm using Pluralsight for Python myself. I'm using Pluralsight for Agile methodology programming framework.
One part I like about this site is that you can take notes within the site and then download them and then print them out. So it's helping me get ready to take the certification exam.
For some of the courses, there's an interactive option. So I thought that was really helpful in order to kind of make those concepts stick.
I think the skill IQ is great, and I think for team leaders and technical leadership, and being able to align that with the role IQ is really exciting. Having that kind of practical kind of score to some element or some skill that is important to a hiring manager, I think is really useful.
We actually use it for quite a few things. Skill development, obviously, to help fill roles. We have actually worked with Pluralsight to build channels for certain levels to progress, to actually get paid more in the individual roles that we have.
We are using Pluralsight as a mechanism to train essentially our junior and senior developers on new tech stacks that we previously haven't had experience on.
I think a lot of people in my company are actually watching Pluralsight videos, and then that will trigger them to have more innovative ideas.
Pluralsight's just so intuitive and easy to use.
Frequently what we see from our business side is how can you convince us that this is actually valuable? The idea being that we can actually map, especially with the new analytics, that'll help a lot. Having actual data there to back that up is going to basically put the cherry on top for that conversation, yeah.
Pluralsight for us is a benefit. It's a competitive advantage.